Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to disable the ability to lock your computer. So we recently did a video on how to remove the lock option from the power options on the start menu here, but if you do a Ctrl+Alt+Delete, you would still have the lock option. So that's one way to get around it if your users do not know about Ctrl+Alt+Delete. That way you could still lock it and they can't. But if you want to make it to where you can't even lock it using Ctrl+Alt+Delete, you could try this registry edit. Alright, so we have two files here, one to disable locking the computer and one to enable it. So if we look at the registry files here, here's what it does. Pretty basic. So if you want to disable locking the computer, it creates this key here with this D-word value. And then to enable it, it just sets it to 0. Alright, so let's try it out here. So we're going to run the disable lock computer registry file. Click on Run, then yes to the UAC prompt, then yes to the dialog box telling you it's going to import it into the registry, and then OK. And now you can see we don't have a lock option there, and if we do a Ctrl+Alt+Delete, you can see we don't have an option there as well. Then if we want it back, all we need to do is double click the Enable Lock Computer registry file, go through the same process. Now you can see we have it back. Alright, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download these registry files, and then that way you could enable or disable locking the computer as needed. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.